Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a T Rex 2 versus T Rex 3 comparison video. So, for the design and display, the T Rex 3 it has a stainless steel, and the T Rex 2 has only a polymer middle frame. So, T Rex 3 obviously gets this one, and they have the second option is battery, and then the T-Rex 2 it will give you 24 days of usage, and if you're using it on a battery saver mode it's going to give you 45 days. And then the T-Rex 3 is a 700 mAh, so almost a 200 mAh difference, which is huge. So on typical use you're going to get 27 days and 180 hours in maximum GPS mode. So obviously, for battery life, TX3 again wins this one. For sports modes and health features, both of them have almost similar, uh, you know, but the T-Rex 2 has only 158 modes and the T-Rex 3 has 177 modes. Again, it depends if you really need all of these extra modes or not. So I would say just go ahead and give the features a look if you think that's worth the price, only then. And then the navigation and GPS, they do say that on the T-Rex 3 you have like better GPS and navigation. uh, I don't know if anyone has tested that yet or not. The T-Rex 3, what it does, it has free offline maps and contour maps, which you do not get on the T-Rex 2. So this is good. Like if you don't have access to the internet, you can get the offline map easily. AI integration and voice control is available on the T-Rex 3, but not on the T-Rex 2. Storage and music, the T-Rex 3 comes with 26 GB, whereas the T-Rex 2 comes with only 8 GB. So there is almost a 3 times difference. Water resistance, they're both made for good, but the T-Rex 3 you can dive up to like 147 feet. If you're a serious diver, then the T-Rex 3 is a better option. Now the T-Rex 2 is around, you know, 15,000, and the T-Rex 3 is supposed to be at 34,000. So there's almost like, I don't 200, yeah, almost near 200, 150 to $200 difference. So it does depend on what budget you have and what are you using it for. If you are not that casual of a user, then I would say that the T-Rex 2 wouldn't make any difference. But if you are a serious diver and you need all those features, then obviously the 3 is the better option. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.